Hey everyone, I'm Matt with Lamont Brothers, and today we want to talk about bathroom and kitchen fixtures and how we select those. When we're working with a client to design a kitchen and bathroom, we use a good, better, best model to try and select those fixtures to keep them within the client's budget and fit with their aesthetic. So today I'm going to talk about 5 basic fixtures. I'm going to talk about bathroom faucets, bathroom sinks, shower heads and accessories, and then I'm going to talk about kitchen sinks and kitchen faucets. So first we want to talk about kitchen faucets. Now, kitchen faucets obviously need to deliver water to your sink. They all do that. But what's the difference between a $150 faucet and a $1,500 faucet? On the lower end, in our good category, you're going to have a standard faucet that turns on and off, controls the temperature, likely has a pull down, and comes in a standard finish like chrome or polished nickel or something like that. A lot of these faucets are going to be, Delta, that brand. That's going to be in the, around $150 category. Now moving up to the better category, you're going to have more finish options. You're probably going to have an option for a touch faucet that, turns on and off just by touching it. And some of the more luxurious finishes like, gold or brass or something like that. You're going to find a lot of Kohler fixtures in that better category. And then moving up to the best category, you're going to find really high-end faucets that have very high-quality parts. The internal components are usually all metal. They're usually brass or stainless steel, so they last a long time. The finish options are much more. You can get patinaed brass, knurled finishes, those sort of things. And that's going to be more like a Waterstone or a brand like that. All right, next we move on to sinks. So with sinks, there's a little bit wider variety of options and with prices. On the lower end, we've got a simple stainless steel sink that is going to be maybe $450, something like that. And this could be a top mount or an under mount. But it's just a basic stainless steel sink that's going to, function well and do what you need it to and last a long time. Moving up to the better category, we have cast iron or enameled sinks. Maybe a Kohler farmhouse sink would fit into that better category, where we're looking at somewhere between $900 and $1,500 for a high quality, heavy duty sink with some more aesthetic options. And then moving up into the best category, we've got sinks like this one, which is from the Galley, and it has a lot of different options and accessories that come with it. So you've got these drain boards, these colanders, cutting boards, all these different things that fit into it and create really a whole suite of cooking and cleaning prep area accessories for your sink. So it kind of takes it to the next level from being just a sink to a whole prep area for your kitchen. And these sinks are going to run into anywhere from $3,000, $4,000, $5,000. So that's your best category for sinks. All right, now I want to talk a little bit about bathroom faucets. And in the good category for bathroom faucets, you're going to find your standard single handle lever that turns it off and on, turns it hot or cold. And as you get up into the better category, you're going to have more options in terms of finish and also configuration. This Kohler faucet would fit in that better category. It's a 2-handle and it's a little bit more of a traditional style. And then in the best category, you're going to see faucets with a lot more patina and finish options. Like gold or patinaed brass, and then they're going to have higher quality internal components like brass or stainless steel as well. Next on the list is bathroom sinks. And this is something that you can overthink a little bit. Bathroom sinks are pretty simple. They serve one function, and it's easy to try to get too complicated with them. On the good level for bathroom sinks, we've got just a basic stainless steel sink. It could be overmount or undermount. Moving up to the better quality, you've got a porcelain undermount sink under a quartz countertop like this one. Just a simple oval sink that's easy to clean, no hard angles. And then in the best category, you get a lot more of your custom finishes like custom metals, maybe a hammered copper or a custom glass bathroom sink. Those are some of the things, specialty items that you might find in the best category. All right, now I want to talk about shower fixtures. So in the same way that bathroom and kitchen faucets move from good, better to best by their finish options and internal components, so do shower fixtures. One additional thing that moves shower fixtures from the good, better to best quality is the amount of options that you have. So in the good category, you're going to have a single diverter with a fixed shower head. To move up into the better category, you're going to have a handheld on a slide that moves up and down and is removable. If you want more options than that, you're going to go into the best category, which is going to have things like body sprays and rain heads and potentially music or lights or something like that. So there's a lot of options with showers, and those are some of the things that can put it in the good, better, or best category. All right, well, I hope you found this helpful to help you select your plumbing fixtures. In summary, you want to figure out what fits within your budget and use these parameters to select fixtures that fit your aesthetic as well. Another thing to consider is if your plumbing supplier or your contractor supplies your fixtures, you get a higher quality that you can't get at your local home improvement store. So make sure you have your contractor install them. You also get the warranty that way. So once again, I'm Matt with Lamont Brothers. If this was helpful, feel free to subscribe, hit the like button below, and we hope to see you again in the future.